Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your avatar on Topwares account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your avatar on Topwares account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Topware application. The home page of Topware application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on your current avatar. From the pop-up, click on the avatar that you'd like to change to and then tap on OK. This is how you can change avatar on Topwares account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.